I finally found the one. I thought I would never fall in love again after the heartaches I had because of men. But then you came and took all my fears away, fixing my broken pieces and loving me all the way. How can I resist the kindness in your eyes, the passionate love that never lies? How can I refrain my heart from falling if you make me love you again and again? Oh, I love the way you call me your princess, showering me with your sweet, tender kisses, holding me tight with your loving embraces. Every moment is an assurance of love that cannot be replaced. I'll be missing everything that we had, those sweet moments that we never planned. If only I can ask you to stay, I won't let you flee. But I need to let you go and wait until you come back to me. I'll be waiting until you hold me again in your arms and fulfill all my dreams as your beloved princess that you can't resist the charm. I will patiently wait for you cause I love you with all my body, mind and heart, praying from above that one day we can never be apart. I love you so much, my dearest darling Pogi.